Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
It makes sense. Is this my number one question? Before I go to my questions, the topic is about Jerry Omogiade, right? And Esther Talk Show. Jerry Omogiade is the husband, Esther Talk Show is the wife. Okay. Before I go talk about the issue, I know Jerry Omogiade said, oh, the video should end, people should stop talking about the video. Hey, guy, no way people are going to stop talking about the video. Hey, no way. People are still going to talk about the video because you draw their attention. You wanted to talk. Are you listening to me? Are you hearing me? Mr. Jerry, which I know is not really your name, Jerry. No. But okay, fair enough. Jerry is your name, Mr. Jerry. People will never stop talking about this video. You know why? Because you just pop up. You just come out, fall out from nowhere. Come they say, hey, make people stop about this video. Make people not talk about it again. Eh? Make people not talk about it again. How? I don't understand you. Seriously, I don't understand you. Now the question is, number one question, what make me want to talk about this thing? The thing be not concern me. I not sabi poke nose or interfere for people marriage or people relationship. Never. Not be my way of life. You get me? But where the thing concern me now be this, because e don't take when this matter dey grand. Anything una dey do, una go dey record una self. Una dey shit o, una go record una self. Una dey baff o, una go record una self. Una dey bed o, una go record una self. Una dey ojuju shira o, una go record una self. Una dey pastor place o, una go record una self. Una dey kitchen o, una go record una self. Una dey fight o, una go record una self. Una dey do shopping for supermarket o, una go record una self. Hello. Una dey make children, una dey make babies for bed o, una go record una self. What is this now? Una know how to use phone. Una know wetin phone dey use for. Una no know. Una need somebody to educate una. Wetin dey suppose to dey use phone for? When you need to record, when you no need to record. Now you listen. Listen to me, my brother, Mr. Jerry. Like I said, I never wanted to interfere in this issue. Really, seriously, I never wanted to interfere. But as you fall out, like, hey, shame no catch you. For all this insult where you pour on your wife. As you dey local, you dey curse anyhow, boah. You dey insult your wife anyhow, boah. You dey, gosh. I don't want to speak. I don't want to interpret all those words when you talk. They irritate me for here. They choke me for here. Say now, guy, Jerry. If they tell me say that handsome man like you, fresh man like you, fall flat, come they talk say, that video na mistake, that record na mistake. And if you fall out when they talk, say na you really talk for that audio. Jerry, you F up, eh? How you gonna talk anyhow like that? Say, as in, how? Say your woman tackle this, they smell your woman tackle the wolf. Yeah? Say your woman slaves they smell. Eh? How? You go fall out like this, just fall out like this, talk. They talk like market woman, all those women when they sell for New Benin market. Say your woman cookie, the wolf, they smell, get a kind of odor. Nobody know the kind of odor when the thing gets. Right? You know, normal woman cookie. Get as it a day now. But you say your home, your woman home, the wolf, they smell. Right? You fall out. You say your woman tackle. Get some kind perfume. Nobody question you. The audio they fly around. Nobody call you. Nobody make audio. Nobody make video. Fair enough. Some other bloggers, other presenters, they carry and come out, right? You know where you F up? Where you come make me fall out, say talk about the matter, so now because you come out, come talk. Say, it no matter. You no care. You no mean. You be talk and you not talk. Mr. Jerry, you F up. Mr. Jerry, or Moegiade, you F up. Seriously. This kind of thing that to just lock up. Not talk. No matter wetin, how people blog and people not blog and people share and people not share and presenters talk about her, presenters not talk about her. No talk, just lock up. Because you and your wife, una don F up. Simple, una don F up. How man and woman go dey? They go get issue. They go dey record themselves. They go get issue. They go dey record themselves. Mr. Jerry, it no make sense now. Jerry Omogiade, it no make sense now. Why you go record your woman? Or rather, why your woman go record you? Now the thing come cast. Your woman just come out. Your woman fall out for the audio. They talk say your python too small. Your python a small python. You know they enjoy am. Hey, you will get small python. Then at the same time, you come out for this video now. They talk say, you know me, no matter. Say your woman talk say your python small, your python this, your python that. Hello, Mr. Jerry. They never born that. They never born me rich when I go just fall out like this. When they talk say, na so my man ramrod small. Na so my man Wayne small. Na so my man pattern small. Then I go talk and finish after some months, after some years. According to you, say na some years, I been at some months now the video. Now I tell you the recording. Then after some months, after some years, then the recording you can't come out. Then you can't feel say, get as it be now. My man go come out, come they say, na mistake. Hello, no be a dumb man you they talk again. Listen, man, listen. We have to be sincere here. Mr. Jerry, you not be a dumb man. You not be a dumb man. Then they use a do sand to bath you. You come out for your for your audio talk now. You dey say, may they forgive you. You dey beg the family of the woman, your own family. You dey beg social media, may they forgive you. Hello, Mr. Man. If you're really a man, really Edo man, really an Edo man, as you claim you are, Mr. Jerry Omogiade, you don't have to apologize to anybody. You want nobody apology, Mr. Jerry Omogiade. Never. You don't even have to come out to express yourself. You know anybody money now. Let to move on. You know go. In fact, you know go even come out, call a voice out. No be a dumb man when me know rude girl, rude guys. A dumb man when rude anyhow. When know their way, come out, can they apologize to who? Come out, can they apologize to who? To the women, to the woman family, to your family, to social media people. Social media people, they feed you? No, they don't feed you. Your family people, now they take care of your children and your wife? No. Your wife's family, now they take care of you and your children? No. Of course you have to respect your wife's family and your family. That you have to do secretly without coming out on social media. You have to call your wife's family, apologize to them. There's this video going around, this audio going around. I am so sorry. Call your wife's family and say sorry to them as well. The way you say sorry to your family. That is it. You hold nobody sorry on social media. You hold nobody sorry on social media, Mr. Jerry Omogiade. Nobody sorry on social media. But you come out with your fine face, your fine body, come dey brag up and down. Fine, fair enough. Your wife could say your pattern small, now because una dey quarrel. Before your wife, Obetu, Akpoloyowa, I dey come for that one. Before she come out, come talk calm. Drink drunk high low. She know what she was saying, See, guy, make I tell you one thing. If I not plan you, I not get your matter for mind. You no get as I go drink rich. I no fit comot. Just when you talk about your personal life, your private life. Even if I be your sister, I be your mama, I be your wife. Why she don't tell you say your head big? Your face ugly. Why she don't tell you say you know the bath, you dey smell? Why she not come out come tell you say you know dey walk? Why she not come out come tell you say, hey, you dey flirt around, you dey friend different women? Why she not come out come tell you say you know dey brush your mouth dey smell? She come out, dive all way long, dive, come out, go knack for your ramrod, say your ramrod small. Then you fall out, come dey defend and say, na because una get issue. Mr. Man, na you I come for now. Jerry Omogiade, give my reason with me. That be my name. Reason with me. Mr. Jerry, give my reason with me. Talk show, Hina. Give my reason. After all this thing, when she talk, you fall out, come dey defend Dana because una quarrel. Hello. When we go again now. You not suppose come out just let everything just die like that, no even show your face, no come out, no matter how she go beg you reach, because me know say that she beg you say make you come out come defend her. You never have to come out come talk say hey na because una quarrel years ago whatever. Woman wey her head correct, woman wey respect im man, small weni or no small weni, small ramrod or no small ramrod, small python no small python, woman wey respect im man. You no get as they go quarrel reach make she dey record the man, or rather she don fit dey do recording, the man come interfere, make she put am for mouth tell the man say you wey think small. Hello, where is the love? Where is the love? Where is the respect? We're talking about two things here. Where is the love? And where is the respect? We're talking about love and respect. This woman don't get children for you, if I'm not mistaken. Even if she don't get children for you, still, you with another day together for years when I don't marry. Where is the love? Where is the respect? Woman when not respect you, never come out before you with and talk, because you dey try to condition and tell and say, hey babes, no do that thing again. Then she attack you, she tell you say, hey, you a pattern small so. She not respect you now. 1, 2, she not love you. Me that I'm talking now, because of love, I will never tell my man or tell any man or advise any woman to tell any man to tell their man their ramrod is very small because they are hungry or whatsoever. Where there is love, where there is respect, no matter how you hungry reach, you go vex reach, you not fit talk about your personal life. When we talk about personal life, that involves family, your papa, your mama, your brothers and sisters. 1, personal life. Number 2, your children, your husband, you. Personal life. Number 3, wetin you dey do for inside your bedroom with your man or with your boyfriend, with your helpmate. That is, those things are what we group together as personal life. You get what I mean? You and your woman just dey talk that obutu aye meh when you dey carry dey go. Baba bobo na wetin I call am. When you dey carry dey go, drink or no drink, na she start to dey drink, na she start to dey high, na she start to dey high. She know say she no fit. If she high, she dey para. Why she go high now? Fine, she high. She begin to describe your wedding for public. Why she go high in that case? Why? See, Mr. Jerry Omogiade, you have for coming out to defend her. You have for coming out to even talk in the public. Me myself, audio talk show, I for not even reason with me audio talk show. I for not even come out, come talk. I just dey look una, I dey watch. Everybody dey blog, they talk about them. I go watch, I go move on. You understand? Be like say they entertain me. I go watch, I go smile, I go move on. I still go watch news. No, watch CNN about the COVID-19, about Nigeria, everything. still come back to una news, see as una come waka, wetin come dey sup for una matter for social media. You understand me? Right? But not until I come across this your video when you make, they say na so the video don come out years ago, you no know una the record e don dey years ago, you no know the thing come just come out now, make dem no bring am come there, you dey blame people when they talk about am. Hello, Benin people say na cock take dey talk where e sleep, na your wife mouth she take talk where she sleep. Why you come dey blame people when they talk about her now? Why you go come dey blame people when they talk about her now? Why you fall out, Mr. Jerry or Moegiade? Why you fall out come talk about her? If you be real man, a real Benin man, listen to me and listen very good. Una over here say na ye can do kwe. Egele no kedo state re. Egelo over here do ukin. Ugwan kan na. Awagwa ugwan kan ulaja do ugwan kan. Who fit tangie man? You no go even giving the rest to people wey blog you, people wey not blog you, people presenters wey talk about you, presenters wey not talk about you. You no go even talk about them. You no go even come out. But since you get that woman as your wife, Esther, we call herself Esther Talk Show, you fall out. You come dey begin dey yarn. Say the audio na years ago, na so na do am. To start with, Mr. Jerry, make I just tell you now, anything wey do am that woman get, if I am not mistaken, to my understanding, if you log get as una go quarrel reach, may you talk say Atako dey smell. They never born that man now. They never born her now. We go talk say, God forbid, I no fit use my body do example. We go talk say my enemy Tako dey smell. You with your woman dey quarrel. You said the audio na years ago. No matter how you go provoke reach for that audio, you insult this woman. You dey talk anyhow like say you be one agbero wey dey New Benin market, wey dey Ring Road, wey dey Ekiosa market, or wey dey Yaba. You say na so your woman Tako dey smell. Na so her vag dey wove. Na so her sleeves dey smell. Her cookie dey bring odor. Her cookie dey bring odor. If I'm not mistaken, she born for you with that cookie. If I'm not mistaken, that cookie. You dey frustrate. You dey face frost am steady. You dey head that cookie steady. You fall out because una dey quarrel. You say the cookie dey smell, the slit dey woof, the Tako get odor. Na so the woman there, na so your woman mama na ashawo, na so she no be ashawo. See, verse or no verse, anger or no anger, you no fit love this woman. Mr. Jerry, you no fit love this woman. If you no come out, can't do this video when you this audio where you do, or video where you do, rather, I don't know what it is where you do when I come across. I don't even care. It be not the thing be not concern me, make I talk about this matter. You dey feel me? But as I see you can't talk, the thing provoke me. You suppose just lock up, because a responsible man, even if your wife fall out, can't talk say your python a small python, you just lock up. Just lock up, ignore her. There are many ways to deal with her. A responsible man should know how to deal with a woman. Sincerely, when a woman go dey beg for forgiveness, you no go see that forgiveness. A responsible man should know where to handle her woman. When a woman go dey beg, daddy, I'm sorry, daddy go say, hey, wetin you dey beg for? I don't know wetin you do me o. A responsible man should know when to handle a woman when the woman will be saying, my love, my sweetheart, I didn't mean to act that way. I'm sorry. Forgive me. It was a slip of tongue. The man will be saying, me, I don't know what you talk will be slip of tongue. Oh. But because she just talk one thing, right? Say your python small. Your ramrod na kola nut small like kola nut, or your weni small like bitter kola. You just fall out because they say na so a taco dey smell, na so a vag dey wolf, or whatever it is. You are even worse than your wife. You're worse than your wife. Two of una dey the same level. Now let me hit the nail on the head. Listen, Mr. Jerry. Where man they do something, man will be real man. That year then, when this matter happen, you go stop your wife for social media. Straight away, she not fit enter social media again. Europe or no Europe, man and man, she not fit enter social media again. You get as you take do one. I don't know if they feel me. Mr. Jerry Omogiade, listen to me. I'm not against you, but you make me to speak. Mr. Jerry, are you listening to me? You dey feel me? See, as I dey so, my man tell me say, you no fit do social media again. Hey, I go keep my mouth shut, and he is going to do whatever he want to do, and I have no choice. You know you can do that. But still, from that year when this recording, this audio, all this matter happen, you not stop your wife from social media. Your wife still dey do social media. Your wife still dey come out, they talk like meh. Oh mwah. You know what these people they call capra. She still they come out, come the voice. You not stop am. Wait come make you be man. Now you want to prove your man. Now you want to prove your man. Now you want to prove your man. Now you want to prove say you be man. Who you want to tell now say make them not blog, make them not share una audio again, make them not talk about una again, Mr. Jerry. When you not fit talk to your wife, when you not fit talk to your wife, when you put for house, when you call your wife. See, I dey watch your wife today. I been there yesterday, whatever. You get one of our video when I come across, right? The son come back from school. That I think looking at that boy should be 12, 13, 14. Right? She was so busy, your so-called wife, your so-called bubuayi, obutu. She was so busy on live video. The son came back from school. She don't even get up from that live video. Tell her viewers, say, sorry guys, sorry my lovely viewers, I have to attend to my son. Make she get up, go look the boy body, see whether he dey okay, no dey okay. See as he take come back from school, look his school bag, give am food, come back to live video. Even if you no give am food, look as he take come back before the boy go quick hide wetin he bring come for school. Because that boy wey me see for that picture, that boy should be, for that video, that boy should be 12 years old or so. That age, that boy should be in high school. In high school age, they don't get secret. They don't get secret. Now the age wey be say once they open door enter house, na to follow the yansh. See wetin dey sup. Question, even if you not follow the yansh, question them. Use ID as a question. No. She sit down for there for live video. They say, my people, umenwa o, make una shame umenwa o, make una shame umenwa. I was like, is this woman, is she this dumb? Say she don't know how to control that boy. Say that boy come out. See, as I did this live video so, they yarn. As reason with me talk show. Any of my family member, my brother, my sisters, right? My children, my husband, my friends, just pop in now. I dey post this audio. They attend to them. You know why? Because they're so important in my life. Because they got my back. Because they got me. I have to attend to them. I have to pay attention to them. No, this Esther talk show, Obutu Aje, meh. Boo boo boo. She continue to dey make a live video. She tell the poor boy say, rice is there, oh, pizza is there, oh, kebab or whatever it is there. Very local something. Esther talk show nugweje egbu now. If I were you, Esther talk show, all this matter when they happen so, as you sabi record your husband dey talk. As they use record, they swear for all of una when they do live video. When they record una self. All of una when be presenters, when they record una self, they use record, they swear for all of una. Una dey bed o, una go dey record. Una dey cook o, una go dey record. Una dey do shopping for supermarket o, una go dey record. Una dey talk to una mama o, una go dey record. Una dey talk to una papa, una go dey record. Una dey talk to una friend, una go dey record. Una dey shit o, as the shit dey make pata poto piti poto, una go dey record. Because una brain una use and knack round. Sorry. Una believe say recording na be everything. Una dey record everything. As you don't record you and your man conversation, right? And you come mistakenly download the recording out, you by yourself alone. If I were you, I no go ever talk about this thing. I no go even do live video about the recording. I no go talk about them. If even I want to talk about this live video, about the recording or about the whatever, now just to apologize to my fans, say, oh, my lovely fans, I'm sorry about the recording that leaked out. I'm sorry. That was a recording I did long ago. I'm sorry. Yeah, I'm okay with my man now. Move on. Talk about your hair. Talk about your children's schools, about COVID, about what is going on in Nigeria. No, you sit down there, oh, as Odegbe. Meh. You begin to talk. They talk, they blame people, they point finger, they cause women, they talk this one, they talk that one. Esther talk show. Wait, we say what be any rabbi? Imagine Esther talk show. Use your brain now. Use your brain. You supposed to lock up, just lock up for this matter. No talk about am. Play. Everybody go forget about am. Your husband comot. I know say na you force your husband make he fall out. Come talk about this thing. Na you force am. Me, I know. Odegbe like you. Na you force your husband make he come talk about this thing. Your husband just fall out, come dey talk about am for no reason. Your husband come out, come dey beg your family, beg his family, beg social media people. Listen, Esther talk show, listen. Your husband owns nobody explanation. Your husband, Mr. Jerry Omogiade, owns nobody apologies. Because big head like you, big head empty brain, you force am, you push am come out. Make e come begin dey beg people. Say, hey, the audio na mistake o, take leak out o. The audio na this o, the audio na that o. Esther. Emi gbu egbe. Wá fẹ́ tí ọwọ́ náà. Wá fẹ́ tí ọwọ́ náà. You should be 32, 35 now. Use your brain now. You don't be small pikin again now. You don't be small pikin again. Use your brain, Esther. Esther talk show, use your brain. Then una come out when they say maybe people don't talk for una matter. Una they misbehave. Okay, see the audio when leak out now. Maybe talk about as your husband say insult you, insult your family, insult your mama. They never bought that man rich. When go insult woman, tell woman say im mama na ashawo. Hello. Esther talk show. Obubu aye. Boo. Man go just call your mama ashawo. When he no even go carry your mama for Igbagwe, he no carry your mama one day for Igbagwe. He say your mama na ashawo. When he no sleep with your mama one day, he say your mama na ashawo. To crown it all, he say your slits dey woof, your cookie dey smell. As in, your taco get odor. You say, na because una come dey quarrel. Wetin cause the quarrel, Esther? Wetin cause am when man go just go that extent, come begin dey lay all those insults on you? You no get a man wey really love you, man wey respect you. You no get any wetin you go do am. You no get as you go misbehave reach. When you go take talk all these things, insult your mama, insult you, never. No be the taco wey you take born pikin for am. Now you go come out, come dey say e dey smell. Then tomorrow you come say, una love una self o. Nigerians with their yeye love. Una dey try. See, that one not be love, that one na likeness. You and your husband una no love each other. Period. If una like anybody when you come across, are you and your members or any other person when come across this my audio, so listen, say you no concern me. But na the fact I dey talk. You and your husband una no love una self, because where there is love, there should be respect. There should be, or there must be respect and understanding. Your husband respect you. You no get as you go misbehave reach. Your husband can never open his mouth. Mr. Jerry Omogiade can never open his mouth to say, to voice your taco smells, your cookies smells. Rather, your mother is a prostitute. Mr. Jerry Omogiade can never say that. Never. If he really loves you. or if he really respect you. No matter how drunk you were, no matter how rude you were, no matter how naughty you were, no matter how, gosh, how am I going to put it? Come on, reason up, Esther. And you on your own side, Esther. No matter how you go dey vex reach, how social media go sweet you reach, when you go come out come dey say, hey, your husband python na small python, your husband get small ramrod, he get small weni. They no born you reach when you go come out come talk am. He get small weni, he get small python, but you born for am. The thing make you born for am. You still dey with am. You know that thing when you talk so, Esther, when you voice for that audio, people might easily suspect you flirting around. If you can confess that your husband, Mr. Jerry Omogiade, have a small python, a small ramrod, small weni, meaning, I'm just saying, I'm trying to read people's mind. Meaning you messing around, meaning you heffing around. Because if python small now, how you raising this matter now? How you raising the matter? Esther, make shame dey catch you. Make shame dey catch you. I'm so surprised you come out, you fall out with full confidence. Come they say, oh, mewa, this, that, no marriage, no get wahala, no marriage, no get this, hello. How many marriage you don't settle for this your social media where you dey do? How many marriage you don't settle? How many marriage matter you don't settle? How many? Everybody they pocket their marriage problem. Me man when they talk, I get my own. I dey package am. Nobody dey know wetin sup. Nobody dey know wetin happen. Only you because somebody, your husband, just correct you. Say this thing not do one again. You fall out. You begin to talk. Say the man python small. Wetin make you born for? Wetin you take born for? Right? The man fall out now. They call you different names now. Fair enough. The man as a man not man enough. He don't stop you for social media. As a man not man enough, he don't stop you. He don't see say the social media they cause issue for your head, for your body. The social media they make you they go gaga. The social media they cause madness for your body. The man not stop you. Now I make the audio leak so. I wish the man stop you on time. I wish the man stop you on time. This audio for no leak. A real man, when you see say your wife they misbehave for social media, now to stop am. Say, hey, stop, no go there again. Stop am from there. Use your man power, your man authority when God give you. Take stop am from there. Engage her in one activity or the other. You know if you give her one activity or the other, because most of our women, they are so lazy, they are so rude, they don't want to learn. Okay. Try your best as a man of the house. Take stop am from that social media. Or rather tell am say, okay, fine, if you want to do social media, no they do saga or no they upload anything. Talk about your hair when you dey sell. Though me, I don't know they follow now they buy hair, because everybody sabi do hair now. Everybody they sell hair. Everybody they make hair for themselves. Everybody they do hair for themselves. One Sandra go do hair for Moses, for Mary. Mary go do hair for Sandra. Now wetin dey sup now? Me, I don't know which hair one of una dey sell. Okay, that aside, as a man, condition your woman. Make him not do presenter again. Make him just dey sell his hair. or rather make him just dey talk about food, talk about the children's schools, talk about COVID, talk about wetin dey sup for Nigeria, talk about different things. But Mr. Jerry, you didn't do this, you didn't do all this, right? Una begin carry on after this audio, una carry on dey pre ten d say una still love each other. Your wife comot now, obubuaye, ozubu, boo. She comot now, she come mistakenly upload the audio. The audio come begin dey fly everywhere. Now you fall out, come dey, instead of you to na wetin make me come dey talk so na be this. Instead of you to just keep your mouth shut, tell your wife say gay. Obokame bubuaye lawa egege lawa audio laje. Hey, dey gbe like social media. You fall out, come dey voice, come dey say you dey sorry. Beg the woman family, beg your family. They begin to beg social media people. Mr. Jerry, this thing, Mr. Jerry. And my main point with this, you owe nobody apology. Nobody. You don't even owe me apology. Me, audio talk show, reason with me audio talk show. You did not owe me apology. Nobody in social media, you owe an apology. Nobody. No. The only people you want apology is your wife family and your own family when your wife insults, and your wife family when you insult. Most especially your mother-in-law. And those people you have to apologize to in secret. Call them in secret, in phone call, talk to them one-on-one, apologize to them. Think you go fit get ticket go Nigeria, go talk to them one-on-one. You don't fit come social media, come dey talk to people, come dey say this, that. No, you hold nobody apology. But since your wife don't brainwash your head now, your wife obubuaye, Esther talk show don't brainwash you. You can't come out. Come dey misyan, they say this, that, this, say that is. You don't know say this thing when you do so go make a lot of people fall out for you. Why you go even come out when they talk? Why? Listen, man. Before I end this talk, my advice to you, just tell your wife make it stop to dey do presenter. Make it stop to dey sell hair. Because me, I don't know the follow and they buy hair. Make she stop to dey do makeup actress. Me, I don't know she dey teach her to do actress. Because not be she will come teach me how to do actress or other people. All women know how to do makeup for their face. Yes. Make she stop to dey do hook up. Who she want hook up? Hook person up to who? Which person? Who? How? See, people know where to get their man, people know where to get their woman. You, Mr. Jerry, you don't know where to go get your wife. You don't know where to go get your side chick. You don't know where to go get your woman. I beg, tell your woman make she enter house. Prove to people you are a real man of the house. Because at the end of the day, if Facebook to give your wife money, £50 a month, €50 a month, $50 a month, 20,000 naira a month. So, Mr. Jerry Omogiade, tell your wife make she enter house. Prove to people you are man of the house. Make your wife enter house. You believe people don't too many when they have for social media now. Your wife because she enter, they talk with all her strength, all her power. Make she enter house now. Imagine the insult she dey give herself. Make she enter house. How much social media they give her? Okay, forget about Facebook. Money when Facebook they give them. How much YouTube they give them? If you do get money for YouTube, 100 euros a month. You not even rich now. You not even rich. I know people when they do YouTube well now. Okay, let's assume 100 euros a month from YouTube, 50 euros from Facebook. Now 150, you really love your wife, you love your family. You love your wife, you love your children, you love your family. Now 150 euros, now you will come let your wife, they fool you for, they fool your family for, they fool your children for. Ah, Mr. Jerry Omoegiade. Amen. Go hang wine, when you lawa, when you lawa. Wage ye gbuwa ma wage fule gbuwa wala wa Ovo kan when again if you beg him, make her start talk show. Pack where? Make she know they insult people when talk for her matter. Now she drag herself come out. They insult to men. They insult whoever it is. Now she drag herself come out. Let people talk for her matter. Me myself, me be no one talk for her matter. You dey feel me? Now as you yourself, Jerry Omoegiade, fall out. Let me go say no. Make her address this issue. Make people reason with me. As a reason talk show. Make people reason with me. As I can't reason the matter, Jerry, you don't try at all. You for not just fall out, can't talk about this issue. You for not come out at all. Now to just ignore the issue, ignore the matter, pretend say nothing happen. Move on. The matter go die by itself. Before I end this talk now, Jerry Omoegiade, carry your wife enter house. Condition your wife. Condition your wife, you are the man of the house. Make she enter house, make she not come out again for social media. Minimum for the next 2-3 months, make she not fall out again. Because I don't know the hair when she want come sell. I don't know the hookup when she want come hook. I don't know who she dey hook up. I don't know the advice when she want come give to people. Condition this woman, make she enter house, sit down. Prove to people you are the man of the house. Make Esther enter house, sit down, take care of the children. Cook wait you, arrange us wait you. That is it. Simple as ABC. And you mind yourself, not come out again, come dey talk. You want nobody apologize. Apology. You dey feel me? You dey feel me, Mr. Jerry Omoegiade? You dey feel me? That is it. Nothing else. That is it. That is it. Make everybody sometimes they sit down, they reason. You and your wife, you not fit blame people when carry this matter, come out, when they talk. No man, give them matter. Me myself, I'm not ready to talk about this matter. And until I see your wife video, your wife they talk anyhow. I not talk, which you not concern me. Until you yourself, Jerry Omoegiade, fall out when they talk. I say, why this man? This is a better man. This is a real Benin man. This is a real African man. I have to address this issue. Anyway, Mr. Man, Mr. Jerry Omoegiade, I have brothers. I have father. I have sons. Lovely ones. I still owe you that respect as an African man. As a man. As a brother. As a son. Please take your wife out of social media. Put her inside. She's older than you, you older than her. I don't care. You give her documents, she give you documents. I don't care. It doesn't matter. She's feeding you, you feeding her. It doesn't matter. As far as you both are married and you are the man of the house, you use your power, you use your sweet voice, you bring out your love, let her know. For the now, she have to stay indoor. At least for 2-3 months, she have to stay indoor and take care of the family. Maybe in these few months, she will realize herself and think of something else to do. Because I know she's really not getting anything from the hair she's selling online, from the hookup or whatever it is. This is my few advice to you, Mr. Jerry Omogiade. Take it or leave it. And please don't ever come back to me. Aminu War. Aminu Saga. Esther Talk Show. I know you have a wide mouth. Boo boo boo. Baba, baba, baba. Don't even try to come to me. Don't even try to come back to me. Aminu Ham, Aminu War, Aminu Saga. Take it or leave it. This is my words of advice to you. Thank you very much. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you. This is Reason With Me. How Do You Talk Show. Hope see everybody understand this. Everybody enjoy now. How una raising the matter now? How una raising am with me? I did wrong. Okay, oh. If I did wrong, make una let me know. Make una write me private message. Let me know. Say, hey, you did wrong, oh. Not be so you for talking. And I go raising with now as well. That is why my name now Reason With Me. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Good night. Enjoy your weekend. Bye.